This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: IntelliJ and a Git repo. Now get Copilot running. Open plugins, search Copilot, install and restart. Do it now. Once done, authenticate with GitHub. Grant permissions so suggestions can access your code context. Make sure your project has a recognized language and index completes. Indexing allows relevant completions. You'll see a Copilot icon in the toolbar. Click it to toggle inline suggestions. This launches the live assistant, so you can request code or accept suggestions immediately. You'll write a prompt or start coding. Copilot shows inline completions as you type. For larger changes, write a short comment describing intent, function name, parameters, and edge cases, then invoke suggestion. Use Tab to accept, Control+Enter to open the Copilot pane, or Alt+ and Alt+ to cycle alternatives. Make sure to run quick unit tests and inspect types after inserting AI code. This prevents subtle bugs. Once comfortable, customize suggestion length and style in plugin settings to match your codebase conventions. You're finishing up. Review Copilot-generated code, run tests, and commit small, focused changes so reviews stay clear. If Copilot stops suggesting, first re-authenticate your GitHub token, then make sure no other completion plugin conflicts and restart the IDE. If performance lags, lower suggestion size or exclude large folders from indexing. Finally, use the Copilot pane logs to capture errors before contacting support. This helps identify network, permission, or compatibility issues quickly and gets you back to productive coding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.